Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your bubble moisturizer. First, understand that the product is designed to keep air out, which is great for freshness, but can be tricky to open at first. We'll walk through the simple steps to get to your moisturizer quickly and without any fuss. This updated approach makes accessing your favorite skincare product a breeze, ensuring you get every drop. Let's get right into the steps. Begin by gently twisting the top cap of your bubble moisturizer counterclockwise. You'll feel it loosen slightly. Next, place your thumb or finger firmly on the center of the white disc. Apply steady, even pressure downwards. With a satisfying click, the pump dispenser will pop up, ready for you to use your moisturizer. It's that simple. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks. And on another note, just like your skin needs that bubble moisturizer, your body needs hydration. Stay refreshed anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It's fantastic. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes the cap can be a little stubborn. If it doesn't twist easily, try a slight wiggle motion while turning it counterclockwise. To close and resecure your moisturizer, simply push the dispenser back down until it clicks, then twist the top cap clockwise until it's tight. Always ensure the cap is fully seated before trying to pump to prevent any air from getting in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.